Hello, it's your girl Natty Nat, and I'm back from Philly's Funny Family. So today it's our fourth snowstorm. I told y'all it was coming. I told y'all it was coming. I told y'all it was coming, and it's here. So anyway, hubby just made me an egg in bed. Spoiled me, but anyway. I wanted to show y'all how look how good this thing looks. It's an omelet, hamburger, fried onions, some good old cheese, and I figured, well, why not bring the family and have breakfast with you guys? You know, look, like the way he hooks it up. It's like mainly the meat and stuff be like on the bottom. So. And that being said, I should have showed the top first before I went like into it, but anyway. So look how good this looks. Of course, yes, oh yes, I will be starting my diet soon, which it does entail 2 eggs, but I don't know about all the cheese and all the meat, but we're working on it, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this for now. Y'all, it's tasty. So how y'all been? Me? I've been alright. You know, a little stressed. Still missing my mammy, but I'm alright. All I do is remember what she taught me. And through God, we can always move mountains, y'all. Some of y'all get it misinterpreted, but just because you're a Christian don't mean that you can't, like, be yourself, okay? God created all of us, so you don't have to be perfect. No one's perfect. No one's perfect. We're all, honestly, we're all the same in some ways. We bleed the same, I do know that. When we bleed, it's all red. A lot of us have the same skin tone as others, but it don't bother me. I love skin tones. I love different tones. How about that? It's almost like a makeup palette. I guess we want to look at it like that. We have all different shades, you know? Do y'all see any color? Not really. I mean, we do, but I love all the colors. All of them. Love sees no color. You know, so I think that's my new slogan, though. Love sees no color. That's what Philly Family promotes. You know, like I said, one day, hopefully a girl can make it successful off of YouTube. But I always tell the family, I plan to open a children's home. Hopefully God gives me the strength to do that, because that's what I want to do. That's what I've always wanted to do. So I'm going to go towards my dreams. It's either that or I want to be a nurse so I could care for people. But over the years, you know, gaining weight, I don't have no major health problems, but some. So, in that being said, certain things I can't do because I'm limited to, you know. But I figured if I'm home and I'm a great mother, a great auntie, a great godmother, I love to take the kids out and have fun. I got that heart. So why not adopt the world? Now, I know I can't adopt the world because I will never have a place big enough for them or be able to feed all the kids. But if I at least get a couple, at least, like I say 10, but Then you think feed, clothes. You know, it wouldn't be regular. You know, I could still show them all equal love. Look at them onions, man. This man knows how to make an omelet. So, I just want to give them love. That's all. You know, I love to swim, have fun. Take them places. You know, do different things. But that's how it is. So, I just pray one day I'll be able to live my dream. I will. I'm sure. And I only can get 2 or 3 kids, you know what I mean? Once I get out of my little 2-bedroom apartment, I'll be alright. Got sidetracked for a minute because, you know, I think a lot. A lot. And it hurts when you stop and you think about people who are supposed to love you. People you call your family. People you call your friends. Friend is a word that you cannot use too often. Here I go with my tea again, y'all. And I had my hubby put it back in my measuring cup. Okay. Because Nettie's going live in a little bit, so I had to be all teed up. Ain't much tea these days, but you know. We like to talk. We like to gossip. We like to have fun, right? Chill. Everyone's everyone. So. But yeah, that's just what I want to do. You know, since I'm home, why not raise kids? You know? They can go to school during the day while we cook, get their food together. You know, I would love to have a pool. Love to have, you know, just fun stuff for them. They're on the premises, you know what I mean? Like, if I was like rich, I would be like Michael Jackson was, in the sense of having a Neverland. That was the bomb. I never been there. I always wanted to go there, but I just could always imagine. Sad because people are so dirty. When the rumors start coming around, that's horrible. But I can't judge nobody when it comes to good and bad. All I know is he was a great man. And he tried to give. His heart was too big. So, people said things. They did things. They tried to corrupt. He kept on going. That's what happens when your tea ain't that hot. You start guzzling down. But I needed that burp anyway. And I know some of you love it. Whew, that was good. It's warm, so it feels good going down. Excuse my clothes. This shirt's a little big, and you know, not exactly sitting HD yet, but I will be sooner or later, you know. Big ups to those real ones out there on some real stuff, but anyway. I'm gonna finish my omelet, I guess. I can finish it. I'm like kind of full because I drink all that tea. So, y'all feel free. Like, comment, subscribe. anything y'all want, y'all can request, you know. Again, I have my number coming out soon. Gotta figure out a way I want it hooked up or how we're gonna do this. But y'all can reach out and touch someone now. Literally. Like, when it's tea time, you can hit me on my line. It's like, nah, I'm just kidding. I've been coming up with some little, you know, little words, slogans, you know, make me up. Spitting a little lyrics lately. It just comes natural when you learn. You can just talk, run your mouth, right. Egg sandwich. This is banging. Much better than eating by itself. I should have just made me a sandwich, right? But them sweet red onions are the bomb. Stuffed, y'all. I'm like really stuffing this down. But cut back. My arms aren't as big as they used to be, and I'm glad. But I'm adjusting to that. Can't put much in. Mind y'all, it's 3 o'clock, and this is the first thing I ate all day. I was on the phone with the family till 4 in the morning. But ain't nothing wrong with that. Y'all know I love y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. And I'm going to talk as much as I can, as much as y'all want, as much as I can. Okay? So, you know, at the end of the day. A girl woke up late. No, woke up late. Took my little shower and everything. Freshened up, put the hair up. It's still up, you know. I had a little bang last night, but you know. Look at that though. Girl got elasticity there. Okay. I'm not bragging, but you know, in the summertime, I told y'all again, when I go swimming, I get foolish, okay? And the hair starts to break off and fall out. And then every winter, it grows like weeds, okay? It just grows like weeds. Look. Like, I'm like, whoa. I'm like braiding it like, whoa, it's back down there. It's like, if you really, like, I blue dried it, and it was like all the way down here. Come on, baby, gotta hang time. Been like that, but you know, take after my grandmommy and my mommy when it comes down to that. But you know, I need to start doing it a little bit more. Maybe I'll bump it one day on camera. Oh, for a fam. But I should let y'all hear that burp. I kept it in. That was a nice one. A nice one. I got one more bite of my food. Might as well finish it. I usually don't, but I'm talking. So, talking, caring, sharing a little bit. It's so good sometimes. It's a sin. And that was one of my mom's words. If y'all don't understand, it's good, but we know it's a sin to eat it. You know, it shouldn't be really. But it's so good, you know? Really. Let me finish off my tea before I finish our conversation. End our conversation on. But I'll be on in a little bit. So we can get this live popping off, you know. Just talk it up. They're coming, y'all. Guess I better get the food down before it comes back up, right? We all know how that goes. If you burp too much, you might not recoup. I need a new measuring cup. I can barely see my numbers, but I wanted to know how much tea I had. Well, well. Who really cares? How about that? Just know that I had a whole measuring cup. At least to there. Full of tea. So, there we have it. Tea times and talks with Nettie. So, I'm going to let y'all go for now, okay? And I'll get back. But just remember to always keep God first. And love yourself. Love yourselves, all right? Because I love me. I love y'all too. But because I love myself, it made it easier for me to love you. Till we meet again, I'll see y'all later.